hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shifa, and today's topic is what is distance and displacement. We are going to see that what are the difference between them two. Okay, so first let's move the first slide. So difference between distance and displacement. The complete length of the path between any 2 points is called the distance. Displacement is the direct length between any 2 points when measured along the minimum path between them. To calculate distance, the direct is not considered. To calculate displacement, the direction is taken into consideration. So I'm sure that you are not clear with what I'm saying, the concept, but here next I have a picture which I'm going to explain that what is distance. Okay, with this I hope that you will be clear. Okay, so the first thing that is here, a boy is standing, is it? He's standing at point A, and he's standing at the point A, okay, and he wants to move to the point B. How much distance it takes? 3 meter distance. Okay, 3 meter distance it takes for the boy to move from point A to the point B. So he is traveling from one area to another area. So the traveling, the area is moving is known as distance. 3 meter is distance between the point A and the point B. Even now let's check the point B and C. It takes 5 centimeter between them. So if the boy wants to travel from point B to point C, distance taken 5 meter. Okay, I hope now you all are clear with what I'm saying. And next one, displacement. We will learn about this in brief. Okay, the displacement is defined as change in position of an object. It is a vector quantity. What it is? It's a vector quantity and has a direction and magnitude. It has what? Direction and magnitude in displacement. Okay, it is represented as an arrow that points from the starting point to the final position. For example, now listen to this example clearly. It's really very important one. Okay, if an object moves from point A to B, then the object position changes. What is saying? The object's position changes. This change in motion of an object is known as displacement. What is showing? That this change in position of an object, the change in position is an important word which we had to mark it over here. The change in position is called the displacement. You can mark it in simple words. Okay, so next I have picture in which you can get it clearly. Okay, so now here we have another example. This is for the displacement. Okay, here the boy is standing. He wants to move to the point B. Okay, he wants to move to the point B. So the distance between it is 4 meter. So let's assume that the boy have moved from point A to the point B. Okay, now the boy is standing over here, and now the boy have to move to the C side. Okay, he wants to move to the right hand side. So in this, what it happens? The position changes. This position is changed. Now he is going a straight path, but here what he had to do? He had to take a turn so that he could move to the another area. So this is nothing but known as change in position. Okay, so the change in position is known as displacement, guys. Okay, I hope that you're clear with it. So once again, a small example of it. Displacement is defined to be change in position of the object. Okay,